thlir tu te chibai le vek ule sang ni le som ni paruk me ni som thum in rin ni zan lama Mizoram MISMA Fight Night UFC Champion Joshua van chu special jasa somania he somna hian Mizoram Chief Minister meu pulal du omate MLA khoi tu tele mun hrang NGO zona thak pol hrang atangin anron toy oma choi moina te lompuina te anron neya eta hian Joshua van chuanin am sapera pathian hne na lom thu soina nein helaya huna local tu zele ama hluta helai huna telpui tu te zong hne na hian lom thu soina anei bokani ama ina soyang khan ke chu tongkam ka thiam vak lo atia chuan thu hi soi tam lem ngai lowa amai ro chu eng o hi soi se mi puilom hi lo em mai zelani Joshua vana champion kan nei chun an miawa clear chun zo mango.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the undisputed UFC Flyweight Champion of the world, Joshua the Fearless Van! History comes to Mizoram. He is the reigning UFC Flyweight Champion, Joshua Van Boytong. He is the first Asian male UFC champion and the first UFC champion to ever set foot on Indian soil. And we are really fortunate to have him here in Mizoram. Joshua Van Boytong, we welcome you here in Mizoram. Zaina, UFC Flyweight Champion. Mel kan hua.
Ole. Kay champ miron lo zui turin sa nina.
Mi pui thoma thapeng le.
We welcome you, Joshua, tonight. Very great to have you here in Mizoram. Ole.
So thank you very much, Josh, for coming here. I know you have been trying hard to come to Mizoram, the kind of problems which you faced on the way. But you're coming here to Mizoram is going to be a milestone for all of us. It's going to be a big encouragement for all the mixed martial art fans and the sport fans. Because Mizoram, we have a vision of 2036 Olympics where we want our boys and girls to compete for India. Having seen you here in person will encourage our boys and girls. Thank you very much for coming. On behalf of the people of Mizoram, we wish you the very best in your future. Thank you, Josh. All right, Kalobe.
Oh, shadow boxing. Joshua Vana. Shadow boxing is the team long ngang mai.
Helai te hi ennom ang rengkhop mai sport minister pulal hing lova mar azam do ni na langa lelama chonin an hmunom ang rengkhop mai Joshua vana ban vai vel phai chu mi pui lom lo khop mai atoi zongin han soita ila Mizoram Sarkar sport minister pulal hing lova chuan Joshua vana helai mun Mizoram athlena wanga lom thu soina le du sakna ron nei ni choni kan han en zelanga Mizoram Chief Minister point choi moina te ron nei chaudona chonin heti hian kan en chunzom charchar to mai dona ni hian a chet vel han hu po hianin mitte atlai ve ang reng khop mai ma hi en nom sa hrim bok ani e
Shadow boxing. Joshua Vana. Shadow boxing is the team long ngang mai.
Ole thilpek lan tur kha kan an puan chon sam mai anga ka puan dan ni dot hian kan hlan mai donia CRCM anil hlan la hian mi puiten kut bengin kan lo lom zel donia Anni zo hian chin community te lawin ring chun som vele se Chin community ten tuna an lan sun som vele ang.
Joshua.
O tuna hian Chin community Mizoram ten thilpek an hlan ani. Chin community Mizoram dota hian Sofa Global Network te kan lawin ring don nia. Sofa Global Network te thilpek hlan turin kan som chun some. Sofa Global Network te khovel pumah Sofa te Chin Mizo Kuki Zomi in pum khat na tura malatu te anni. O tuna hian Sofa Global Network ten thilpek an hlan meka anni dota hian Zo Unification Organization zoro te lawin ring chun som turin kanin nge ne. Tuna hian Zo Unification Organization zoro ten thilpek an hlan ve meka anni dota hian Muay Thai Association of Mizoram te in ring turin kanin siatire. Muay Thai Association of Mizoram te kan som chun som hale. Hemi dota hian Assam MMA lamte kan lawin ring chun som donia.
Guys, how you guys doing? First of all, I want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, and thank you to the CM. Thank you to the sport minister. Thank you for having me here, man. It was such a pleasure to see a young, talented guys perform tonight. Thank you. I love you guys.
Number 2. Amoy. Oh, lalban mau sobo sa. Hey. Model Joshua manen tu rumpi makal kan ya. Inek tak itu en ketum suang lawa. Rayanin takua. Miss barili hian tam kan nak hati kawa. Ani hian ni nak put mai biau ni mo Akira Miss barili put mai
It is indeed a great honor and a very rare privilege for me and the people of Mizoram to felicitate a fighter who has made a history as the first Southeast Asian-born UFC champion, Joshua the Fearless. Friends, allow me to take this occasion to reiterate that the British government had given us a wrong name and called us Lusais in Mizoram, Chin in Myanmar, and Kuki in Manipur. These are not our generic name. I repeat, these are not our generic name. In spite of the British policy of divide and rule, today, a common nomenclature with a common language is being born, taking its own shape, its natural course. We belong to one race, one family, and one blood is running through our veins. When Joshua Van stepped into the octagon, he carried that connection with him. And tonight, this movement feels personal for all of us who have gathered together here. A record of 17 wins, 9 by knockout, and the highest strike output in the flyweight division. Those are the stats. But your impact goes beyond numbers. You saw our youth the talent, grit, and courage from the corner of the world can stand on the global stage and compete with the best. You have fought at the highest level with heart, with endurance, and with dignity. Even more, you have used your platform to speak for your people. That takes a different kind of courage, the kind the Mizos understand and respect. As myself being the one who had been honored with the 7th Dan black belt by Mr. Lee Dong-shuk, President of World Pro Taekwondo Headquarters Federation, I deeply respect the discipline, sacrifice, and mental strength it takes to reach to the top of the world. Many thanks to Mr. Sarif Bapu, Senior Vice President, Asian Mixed Martial Arts Federation, who, on behalf of the International MMA Federation, honor me with one more black belt tonight. I am really and deeply indebted and obliged. On behalf of the people of Mizoram, I felicitate you, Mr. Fearless. You have made us proud. You remind our youth to dream big, train hard, and never be afraid to take the fight to the world. You have become a trailblazer who opened the door wide for the next generations to come. May Mizoram continue to be your second home. We stand firmly with you for the next round, for the next challenge, and of course, for the next many, many more victories. God bless you. Thank you.
Oleh tuan-tuanin, tutor ni sa isaturin, local home sa isaturin kan minister, sa utak kan sports minister, pualin king lawawar, so sabi.
Selain sebagai bulan, saya akhirnya adalah UFC Champion Joshua kan buat ini kan lama dan semua. Kailangan ko na ako ang sante, alugan ko ang tolong.
Avisa Suncha Atemo Ekima, the Chief Minister Imamina Puya, Arim Gono Katiwa Tremlehi, the Sumapolo Prumusway, Atola Natsuan, Zanakian, UFC Limo, Mixed Martial Arts and Limo Combat Sports, Kankana, Mizoram Mosu, pualin Paul and Fire. Games from the Papua Park, Center of Excellence, Combat Sports now, and in one more people, my best is a Pualin Paria, my best is a Pualin Paria, so, Pualin, Sanchi, and they go to Samson Paul, donor ministry for it, the dog body. So thank you very much all for coming here. I know you have been trying hard to come to Mizoram, the kind of problems you face on the way. But you are coming here to Mizoram, it's going to be a milestone for all of us. It's going to be a big encouragement for all the mixed martial arts fans and the sport fans. Because Mizoram, we have a vision of 2036 Olympics, where we want our boys and girls to compete for India. Every team here in person will encourage our boys and girls. Thank you very much for coming. On behalf of the people of Mizoram, we wish you the very best in your future. Thank you all. All right.
Khasa upasan na ako ng kanto lo niya. Sa kanya bis fight night ang maging pauli. Balbo before kuo bali ko
Riles kalau siya mangkay Juan. Oho. Oho. Tha rong tha hoang hoang tem là tổ tha tiếng trông ole 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 hey 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 Baka vek tharo
Kể thì mà chú cho chi mẹ tụi đi dạo này cha bà vi và chi mẹ tụi đi khi bà đấy thì mà nhai về thì mà thì nhiều lệ bỏ đi thì mà
ardeng thuama indoor stadiums kau he kahin Joshua van long silawin hi kahin boxing ane thot nak ding hun jose tu he tuan ngai kolrami nungak mai do po lam phan sang kau he kolrami deu kan phan tu he kada ken gym kal nak te ha van umme tu tom pala Joshua ban kim hu chang lai kam hu than chang lai nong ngai la he cái mà long boxing kan thua te min la on top he mang chang ko he ka tom pa chang ai ka bakal Joshua ban bak chok na bakal ni do na